Hello guys! Today I received my display to my grid-tied inverter that I am going to repair today. So very welcome as always. Now let's do this. I did pay the extra shipping and it arrived from China in only 3 days, so I think that that's some kind of personal record for me when I buy something on eBay or AliExpress and receive it in only 3 days. That's fast. But it also cost around 40 bucks to have it here. And here you can see the display. I really hope that this works. Okay, let's give it a try. Yes! Final assembly code, what is that? I did see something, but suddenly it just disappeared. So here is how the display looks now when the power is on. I don't know anything about this. So I simply have to guess. Some questions here or settings are obviously pretty easy to understand. I will of course use this one here. I think I take the 200 as in 2000 and just leave it like that. And now I will press home button. And I don't know what will happen. I think that this is one-time program only. So now when I press the home button here, I will probably not ever going to be able to adjust this once more. So I really hope that I have done the right decisions here. Okay, let's see what's happened. Save settings. Yes. Maybe everything will be up in smoke now. Oh, now it started turning. It doesn't feel right. It's almost like this button here don't work. I just unplug it again. Okay, now I understand. So, here we are. Everything is working. It was a little sketchy there with those settings that I didn't know anything about. But I think that everything works. I have to try it for a few days and see if the numbers here seems to be correct. So this was the problem. So let's install it down in the basement again. So here it is. It seems to be running just fine. Here is how it looks. And it works just as it should be. So I probably will make another video when I am loading this with my water heater and my lights out in the garage to see just how this performs. But that will be later on. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you next time. Take care. Bye.